In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect FxPro to TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside TradingView.com, you want to first sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. After that, hover over Products up here and click on Super Charts. Whenever you are in their super charts, then you have to go to the bottom left here and click on where it says Trading Panel. And you want to basically put this up a bit so we can see everything. There we go. And then from here, you should see FxPro here on the list, okay? If you don't, click on Show All Brokers, and then just look for FxPro here on the list of many different brokers they actually support. Here, click on FxPro, and then click on Connect. And what this is going to do is it's going to take you to FxPro Direct, where you basically have to sign into your account. So just enter in your email and then your password and click on Login. And whenever you do this, you'll get connected with your FxPro account to TradingView, and then you can use it over here to trade directly on TradingView. Okay, so that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.